Today we've got a couple of things to share with you. First, we're celebrating and we're doing a giveaway. I'm going to do that at the end of the video. I'm going to tell you the rules and what we'll be giving away. And I want to actually do a review on some flowers that I got. An early Mother's Day gift that Avery and his dad gave me. You probably haven't seen Dad since the earlier videos when we were walking houses. It's been that long.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Yeah, so anyway, let me tell you what else. We decided, because he made us do a video with him on his channel, so we decided, hey, since I'm reviewing the flowers you guys bought me, you're going to do a video with us. So, even exchange. And if you haven't noticed, yeah, it's fair, I think so too. If you haven't noticed, he can be found on our community page, his channel. So, Andrew Scatback 312. And this is the thing with me, guys. I've bleached this box probably 2 or 3 times and then let it sit for like days. And now I'm still kind of eerie about touching it. So, I'm pretty sure it's fine, but I'm a germaphobe if you haven't noticed. Let's get to this unboxing. So the name, the company that I got these from, or they got these from.
Cut.
No, I ordered them because I wanted to pick the color. Because I am doing a collab, and the collab is going to be a Mother's Day collab. So I thought to myself, these would be so pretty for Mother's Day. Plus I just bought my mom some for her birthday. And I like them so much that I just was like, okay, I'm going to get me some. And the thing is, I'm going to show you my color. She got red. They're called Eternal Fleur. They're a company in New York. So they ship in about less than a week. It didn't take that long for me to get them. So I wasn't worried about doing the collab because I knew I'd get them in time. And I think the shipping was free. The shipping was free. And trying to think of, let me turn it this way since the address is on it. So one of the things I did change about the order. Yeah, you can do that part. One of the things I did do different when I ordered mine versus my mom's was I got them from a different company. There's nothing flying around, I promise. So my mom's, her roses are red. These are roses, and they're supposed to last 1 to 3 years. And I saw another YouTuber, she's got 2 channels, and she had just bought some and did a review on them. And hers came from this company, and I like this company because they gave you the prettiest velvet box. Let's see if I can get it out. But the YouTuber that I'm talking about that I saw do a review on them, I believe she got it from this company, but her name is, she's got 2 channels, Petals Corner and Petalist Bliss, Petalist Bliss. And check out her channel. I love watching her. She does DIYs too, so shout out to you. And
Wow, those are nice.
I got silver. So
Just like you like.
yeah, you know I do a lot of bling decor, so on my collab I'm going to be putting these, and they actually smell like roses.
Well, they're internal, right?
They're real roses. That's one of the things my mom did verify. And I saw reviews, and some people were doing reviews into 1.5 years, and they were saying their roses still looked real good. Let me put this out the way. So I have 9 roses, and this is, I think, a small box, but Let me bring them a little bit closer so you can see how pretty they are.
Avery, how do you like the roses?
They're fine.
They're pretty nice.
I like them because they have like a shine to them.
Can't wait to see what your mom is going to do with them.
Yeah, I'm excited about them. And they actually don't have a chemical smell.
It smells natural.
They smell like natural roses. They really smell good. I really love this box they came in. I thought I might have gotten mine from a different company because the velvet box that I saw, is there a box in there?
No, it's a card.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's a card. See, if they had opened it, they could have filled that card out and gave it to me, but I'll let you do that on Mother's Day. All right, so I thank all of you. Before we get to the giveaway, you don't probably want to sniff them too much because I'm sure there's some kind of chemical to keep them alive for 1 to 3 years. What do you think? But, you know, the only thing you have to do is just sit them here. You don't have to water them. You don't have to do anything. You're not supposed to touch them. So that was the one thing I did do. I had to make sure everybody knew not to touch them. And my mom did too before she put them out on the tables because hers are red. They smell like roses, so they're natural looking. Mostly when people see things like that, they do tend to touch and smell. So these are a really good Mother's Day gift. You guys, if you've seen the ads, I like the review that I gave myself. So I encourage you to go ahead and get them. All right, guys, so I'm also here with my family. As you know, our channel, you're watching it, is Avery Home Search. And we started the channel in honor of Avery because it was our second search for a home. And he wasn't here for that search. So we wanted to document the search. And some people asked us, well, what are you going to do about your name after you guys find the home? And so since it's called Avery Home Search, what I did decide to do is just search for things to fill it with. So it'll continue to be Avery Home Search, and I will search for things that I can make DIYs with, or I might take you on some hauls to show you decor that I buy to put in the home. So the name will not change. That's what we're going to do. And a lot of you probably are curious of what my name is because a lot of people call me Avery because that's the name on the channel, which I am not offended by that. I know what you mean, but it's Vet. So just letting you know. And of course from Andrew Scat Pack 312, you kind of can figure out what Dad's name is.
Pretty much.
So without further ado, we are celebrating the fact that we reached another milestone. The channel did get monetized. And we're very grateful for that. And so we want to do 2 giveaways. 2 Amazon gift cards for $25. So 2 people can win. All you have to do is in the comments below, put enter me. And I will be announcing the winner. Winter
is over.
Thank God. Sometimes it feels like it's still winter. But
some days it has felt like it was still
yeah, people are breaking out their coats and things.
Yeah, snow coming down to the ground.
They usually say like and subscribe and turn on that bell for it and stuff.
Oh, so Avery's reminded me to ask you guys to please, if you love the content on our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. We'd appreciate it so much, and we welcome you to our family. And hit that like button and notification bell. And I will have some rules coming up for the giveaway. I can tell you what it is right now. I'll be emailing the gift cards to you guys. Because you know through Amazon you can order whatever you want. You don't really need to have anything sent to you in the mail. So like I said, I will be announcing the winner soon. I did want to preview these roses, which will be in my collab coming up. But of course, the next video, that video will be for Mother's Day week. But the next video will be coming up on Thursday, because I usually put out a video on Thursday and Sunday. And that will be what I featured in the sneak peek from last week's video, which are the vase, which is the vase behind me. But
Happy Mother's Day.
aw, thank you. Appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys want to see the video we did together, I will put it in the community channel when we finish editing it. It was a video review on the Tesla video that I posted. His channel got so many views on that video that he decided to do a review on it. So
Yeah. So guys, check it out. It's a pretty good video, and we're gonna just keep bringing you content on our channel. On my channel, it'll be about cars, and of course, Avery Home Search is going to be about DIYs and our new, hopefully, future home. Very soon.
we'll talk to you guys soon. You keep on being safe out there. That's what I've been putting at the end of most of my comments, because I truly mean it. We want you guys to be safe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.